The best way to get better is to practice. And in this example, we're going to look at creating something called a description list. It used to be known as a dictionary list, but it's been updated to description list. And this is going to allow us to have a series of terms and definitions. This file is available for you to download. Use a link provided below in the description. We'll pause for about 5 seconds so you can pause this video and download it. And then you can either choose to follow along or you can attempt it on your own and then check your answers. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to scroll down until I find my HTML comment. Here I have my list of items I need to do. So I'm going to first create my description list. And this is simply a DL tag. My DL tag is where I'm going to put my other elements. The next element I'm going to create is my description term, or my DT tag. And this is going to define the term that I'm going to describe. So here I might have HTML, and then I'll need to define my actual description. So I'll have a DD. This is the description of my term. So notice I'm not using my list item tags. This is because it's a two-part item. So HTML and then I could go out and finish it out. Now, if I want to have another item, I'm going to simply do another DT and then another DD. Once again, I could more fully write this out, but just for simplicity's sake, I'm not going to. Save this document, right-click on my file, reveal in File Explorer, and double-click on it. You'll notice here is my DT tag element, and then my DD tag element is indented. And it would have that block indentation that you see here, even if it was multiple lines of text. So this is great for doing things like maybe creating a glossary section of your web page of common terms that people need to know. Or if you have a FAQ, a frequently asked questions, you can easily put this in a description list like you see here. You can also, with your CSS, style these. So a common thing is to make your definitions bold and then your text not bold, just so it stands out a little bit more. Hopefully this was helpful. In our next video, we're going to be looking at how to do images. A link for that video is on your screen and you can click on it now.